What you think about, Mom? Thinking. You're on video. I'm sure. Another quiet day on the west side. What? Yeah, I know. Terry, has a push phone like Trudy does, but he's going to get one of these, so he's been playing on mine, and he has a hard time just lightly, swishing it. He wants to like touch it hard and drag it, or push something, and it takes getting used to. Did you enjoy your walk today?
Yeah.
Found a new way to get out, huh? Pushing you on that walker. Just pushing it like a wheelchair. Huh?
What's that say?
What's it say? The Blazer.